How to turn on stages notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on stages notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down. Here you will find settings and the notifications, and now just go down until you find stages, and here just turn everything on and go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.